Hey everyone, this is Ira Nicodemus with Holistic Utility Solutions, and today we're talking about how you can get $1.8 billion for your critical facility in Texas. So the Texas Backup Power Package Program is a new grant that's coming through the Public Utility Commission for $1.8 billion to fund microgrids on critical facilities. Now this is specific to Texas, and the way that it's going to work is any critical facility, whether that's water and wastewater, assisted living centers, hospitals, if you put a microgrid on that will power the building for at least 48 hours, you can get grant funding through this program. Now, what's a microgrid? A microgrid means that you can't just do a generator. The way that it looks like this is going to happen is that this will be for generators that are also combined with other sources of power like solar and battery. So you integrate all these together, that makes you eligible for the grant, it helps cover the cost, and then you can have backup power in the case of an emergency. So does your facility qualify? We here at Holistic Utility Solutions are focused primarily on two qualifying markets. One are cities and water utilities, and the other are assisted living centers. So if you are with a city, a municipality, a water utility, there's two areas that you should be paying attention to. One is your water and your wastewater infrastructure. Any of your pump stations, water, wastewater type loads, those will likely be qualified as critical loads and facilities. Second is anything that's involved with emergency operations like police and fire, or if you have an area that you're going to use as a community shelter, a warming center, something like that. Now, our second market that we work a lot with is assisted living centers. Assisted living centers like nursing homes, senior care, those will also qualify. So if you do not currently have backup power, or maybe you only have a generator for your emergency loads, but you want to do your entire building, this is a really good opportunity to get those projects funded. Now, this all sounds great, but when is this money coming and how do you get a hold of it? So we are still waiting for additional clarification from the PUC on exactly what is involved with this program. Currently, they're saying that in December of 2025, they're going to release all of the rules around the program and what it's going to take to submit for these grants. We expect that in early calendar year 2026, they're going to open an application process. Now, 1.8 billion is a lot of money, but it's expected to go fast. So what should you do now to prepare to get your application in? First of all, you need to have a really good understanding of which of your properties and which of your loads are eligible, and then start to put together a feasibility assessment of what that plan would look like. With any grant, the better your application, the better the chances that you will get funded. How can we help? We here at Holistic Utility Solutions are experts in everything regarding utilities. We work with generators, solar, and battery, so we understand microgrids. We're also very good at doing grants. We have a great track record of winning grants for our clients, whether those are from state energy offices, federal grants, and we're confident that we'll do very well when it comes to doing grants for this program here with the Texas Backup Power Package Program. If you'd like to get on our list so that we can keep you up to date with what's coming on this program and make sure that you are at the front of the list for the funding, go to the link here on the video and sign up, and we will send you updates as we learn more and make sure that you are the first one to hear about everything that comes out from the PUC and that you have the best possible chance of getting part of this $1.8 billion. We look forward to talking to you and supporting you and your critical facility.